Wow. That'd nearly make you cry. Now the journey has been long, over 3 years for me. This whole project started a long time ago. It started in 1999 with Judge Hall and that group of commissioners that once had a vision and a thought for what might happen in this county. And thankfully, the judges and commissioners following that have picked up that and carried it forward to this day. We have the greatest dignitaries in the world here today. You.
Color Guard, advance. Scout, salute.
This is a very, very, very special occasion for the Texas Historical Commission and obviously for Fannin County. So let's hear it for Fannin County. As was stated, I'm John Crane, reside in Dallas, and I'm with the Texas Historical Commission and have the pleasure of working on a lot of wonderful projects throughout the state, and this is one of our time. The governor of Texas, Governor Bush, and others decided it was time to address our courthouses through a special program. We have 240 courthouses in Texas, and you know, these are in active use, and very soon we will have a beautiful courthouse behind me that will be in extremely active use.
Whereas proud citizens of Fannin County are gathering in Bonham on March 10th, 2022 to celebrate the restoration and rededication of their courthouse. And whereas erected in 1888, the Fannin County Courthouse was designed in the Second Empire style by prominent architect Wesley Clark Dodson and his partner William Dudley. And the building featured a cupola, a clock tower, and a complex stone facade with columns. After a devastating fire in 1929, a remodeling project flattened the building's roof, and commissioners decided to modernize the courthouse, installing aluminum doors and covering the exterior in neutral colored looter stone with green panels inserted beneath each window.
And whereas Architects is an award-winning architectural firm, is overseeing the restoration of the Fannin County Courthouse to its original design, repairing the damaged stonework and adding a newly constructed cupola, clock tower. The initiative was funded by the Texas Historical Commission, which awarded approximately $6 million in grants as part of its Texas Historic Courthouse Preservation Program. In addition, the project benefited from the contributions of engaged civic leaders, Barbara McCutcheon, who played an instrumental role in advocating for the restoration. And whereas the Fannin County Courthouse has withstood a panorama of change over the course of 134 years, and its restoration reflects the pride that Texans can take in their community's rich and cultural heritage. Therefore, be it resolved that the rededication ceremony of the Fannin County Courthouse be commemorated, and that all those involved in bringing this project to fruition be recognized for their efforts. This is over the seal of the state of Texas, your state of Texas, which is so proud. And so we're glad to get to represent the people of Fannin County and the people of Texas today to commemorate this event.
I want to thank the Texas Historical Commission for the planning grant that we received in 2008, and then for the restoration grant that we got in 2016. I'd also like to thank Barbara McCutcheon. Without her drive and enthusiasm and determination, we probably wouldn't be here today. I'd also like to thank the citizens of Fannin County. And so every time you come by this courthouse, let this courthouse in all its glory remind us and be the proof that we can do great things for Fannin County if we'll just pull together, if we'll put our differences aside and we'll work together for what's best for Fannin County and the citizens of Fannin County. Thank you.